The Y sound, it's just like in English when you go yeah. So yi, yang, yan, ying, ying, stuff like that. So it's literally like yeah. So that's the Y sound. Very easy, very standard. Cannot get confusing. There's dog poo on the ground, so I'm walking around it. The Z sound, okay, is like a z, z. So in English, Z is like, you know, zero or something, or zinc. That's not how you pronounce the Z consonant in Mandarin. In Mandarin, it's like z. For example, z, or zan, or zhen, or something like that, right? Z. It's like a z sound. ZH, just like all the consonants that have an H in them, it would be j, j. So zhi, or zhang, or zhen, or something like this, like z versus j, z versus j. That's it, man. You guys got it. You guys got it. That is the end of it. What did we learn today? We learned the Y sound, yeah, right? Ying, yeah, yeah, etc. We learned the Z sound, the Z sound, z, and then we learned the ZH sound, zh. Yeah, let me know if anything's confusing. This was Jerry Teaches Chinese. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.